Can you ever get a box without getting this in it? Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be unboxing a mystery beauty box from Next. I have not seen these before, but I do believe they've been doing the rounds. So I did get two. I'm going to split this into two videos. I got the Beauty Archive mystery box, and then I also grabbed the Bath and Body mystery box. So I'll unbox this one in this video, and then in the next video I will unbox the Bath and Body. So do stick around if you want to see that one. Don't forget to subscribe and pop on the little bell and you'll be notified of when it comes up. Let's unbox this. I'm really excited. I have seen a couple of people's videos pop up of this, but I haven't watched them. I don't know if everyone gets the same thing in each box or whether they're different in each box. I'm not too sure. Once I've filmed this and unboxed it, I am going to go and have a little look though and see if everybody gets the same thing or not. I think these were all £18 each, so hopefully what's inside lives up to expectations. Let's open her up. She's tight in there. You want first look? Okay. First thing we have, ooh, lovely. We've got a Rituals relaxing body scrub in the salt and magnesium. Nice. I do enjoy a body scrub. Okay, nice and sealed. We like that. Where's the rest of it? Smells good. I'm sorry, what the? Am I missing something? Where's the rest of it? I mean, it has separated as well. I did see, I think it was it Miss Boo? Yeah, it has separated. Okay. I'm not mixing that up together, but okay. I did see her video pop up after I'd ordered them, and it said something about out of date or expired or something, and I was like, so hopefully this is all okay. We have that. It smells good, really good. It smells very clean, fresh, a bit dove-ish, dove-like. Like, you know, you're at a spa or something. It just smells like spa-like. But I do like a body scrub. Can you ever get a box, a mystery box, a glossy box, a birch box, a whatever box, without getting this in it? I don't want this. Does anybody want this? Like, who wants this in there? They're in bloody everything. I don't know how this guy's still in business with like the amount of free things that get put in these boxes. Philip Kingsley Elastostyler 5-in-1 treatment. It's a mask for all hair types. I mean, will I use it? Yes, I will. Of course I will. Oh, hang on. What is this? No, is this different? I don't know. Starting with a pea-sized amount, work through the mid-lengths and ends of towel-dried hair, blow dry and style as usual. Okay, I'll give that a go. A little 40ml one of that. Ooh, nice. This is a good one. We've got a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Cruella. Oh, I like this. I'm excited about this. I don't think I can do a video about dropping something. What's wrong with me? Oh, wow. Red. Is this not a lip? Okay, I see. It's a lip colour, like a crayon. I thought it was a lip liner for some reason. Let's try it out. So I've got a bit of residual swatching on my hand. I did wash my hands after my last video, but obviously not very well. That is stunning. Gorgeous red. Oh, I love that. Haven't worn a red lip in years, but I'm definitely going to be using that. That's really nice. That's a good one. And then we've got a Bare by Vogue Williams Liquid Body Illuminator. Ensure that the skin is clean and dry before applying a small amount using a mitt. Okay. I mean, that doesn't thrill me immensely, I won't lie. Let's try a bit. Is this a self tanner? I don't know. Am I going to regret putting this on my hand? Maybe. Should I try it on my arm? I don't know if that's a self tanner or what, I'm not sure. Looks a bit glowy. Where is it? Wait for it, I'll wake up tomorrow and it'll just be a brown splotch on my arm because it is a self tanner. Then last thing, we've got a Lancome Advanced Genifique serum. A little one. I don't know if I have tried this. I may have done like in a little sample like this previously. I mean, I will absolutely use that because I do like Lancome. But is that the best thing to get? No. That's it. Not sure how I feel about that. I don't feel good about that. I don't feel good about that. Okay, whatever. This is such as life, you know, we risk it. So that's what we've got. A Philip Kingsley hair thing, a NARS lip crayon, which is the best thing out of it, Rituals body scrub, which is like half full, a body illuminator, and a little sample of a Lancome Genifique. I'm not thrilled with that one. Have you guys actually tried one of these ones? If so, or have you tried any of the others? Because there are other varieties on the website that they do. Have you tried them? Do you like them? I'm going to have a little look once I edit this, if everyone gets the same thing or if it's a random little thing. I mean, I'm guessing it's called the Beauty Archive Mystery, so I'm guessing it's the same in everyone's box, potentially. Maybe a different colour crayon, I don't know. But not thrilled with that, not thrilled, especially for £18. But I mean, I guess probably that's worth £18 anyway, so thanks for the NARS lip crayon that I will definitely use. Okay, that's a bit of a short video, shorter than I thought it would be. Do stick around. Like I said, I will cut this video and then I will open up the Bath & Body one. Hopefully that one's a little bit better. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon. Bye.